SWISCO's 39-417 nylon tie bar guide for casement window multi-point locking systems is a compatible replacement for many styles of guides. To replace yours, open the window for access to the tie bar, then unfasten the guide. While the replacement guide may look different from your original hardware, it serves the exact same function of securing tie bars of 1/2 inch by 1/8 of an inch. The tie bar guide functions by aligning the tie bar with the window keepers for a tight and secure seal. If the depth of the tie bar guides varies, pack washers behind it before fastening. To install, simply adjust the new guide up or down to line it up and fasten it to at least one of the current installation screw holes. For this part and more, visit us at SWISCO.com.